Hello everyone. So in this video, I just want to clear some of your doubts regarding this CSIR NET e-certificate because so many students have some doubts regarding this. That's why I just want to clear you. First of all, I just want to talk about this point. If you observe here, they are asking CGPA, right? So here they are asking CGPA, SGPA, OGPA, CPI, etc. conversion formula of their respective university or institute or certificate from concerned university or institute clearly stating the percentage of marks in the qualifying degree. Actually, so many students are worrying about this percentage conversion. You don't need to do anything. Actually, so many universities or so many institutes generally they are providing their percentage conversion formula like this on the back side of your mark sheet. Okay, so if you clearly observe on the back side of this of your mark sheet, definitely you must have this type of conversion formula. So if you have this type of chart on the back side of your mark sheet of your particular MSc, then you can send this one, right? So you can send this one. So other than this, you don't need to send anything extra, right? So this chart is more than enough if you have this kind of chart on the back side of your particular mark sheet. Okay, so next thing is, and try to send your documents in a sequential order like they provided. Means, for suppose if you see, this is the first one is copy of your mark statement, that is scorecard with your rank. Second, 10th class certificate as a proof of date of birth, and degree or provisional certificate, that means your MSc certificate. Okay, this is enough. And final mark sheet with required percentage, CGPA. So after that, cash certificate. And also here, for your EWS category, if you are the candidate who belongs to EWS, you have to send either 22 23 or 23 24. Okay, so for this financial year, okay, if you have 22 23 financial year EWS certificate, this is also more than enough. You don't need to worry anything, right? And moreover, just try to send your all certificates like in this sequential order, and you don't need to send any certificate one by one, right? You don't need to certificates separately. Just in one PDF you can send all the certificates, but try to put your certificates in order. Like first you have to put your certificate as a as your scorecard, next 10th class certificate, next degree. Okay, like this, try to send. Okay, that's all. And moreover, and one more important thing, so if you are the candidate who wants to get your JRF, for suppose if you are already doing PhD from any institute, but now you are qualifying this exam so that you will get JRF next. So if you want to if you want to get your JRF stipend, and first of all you have to apply like this only. After once you get your JRF certificate, you have to submit your JRF certificate uh, along with your mark sheets to your management, okay, of your respective institute, so that your respective institute or university will send will send your documents to the CSIR or to NTA, to CSIR uh, on behalf of you, so that you will get your JRF from your institute, right? So these are some queries which I have received from you, so that I made this video. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much.